Hello my students, hope you do well. Today we are going to identify some related rules to simple past tense. It's really an important lesson my students, okay? So today we are going to identify some rules and forms of the simple past tense. And then we have to solve some related exercises. Hope you're ready. Simple past. Why do we use this tense? We use this tense to talk about finished past actions. Okay, for example, I solved a hard homework yesterday. When we use simple past, we need to think about verbs to be that are in the past, regular verbs, and irregular verbs. Okay? We also need to think about positive sentences in the past simple, negative sentences in the past simple, and finally the yes or no questions. Okay? Let's start with verbs to be in the past. They are two, was and were. Okay? I was happy. He was happy. She was happy. It was happy. I, he, she, it, take, was. But you, we, they, take, were. You were happy. We were happy. They were happy. Okay? Now let's look at the regular verbs of the past simple tense. We usually put ed at the end of the verb to make it in the past. Okay? For example, I helped my grandma. We added ed to the verb help. Okay? Oops, we have an important note here. Some words end with y. So we cross the y and add ied. For example, study, studied. Okay? Let's look at the irregular verbs. We have many irregular verbs in English. You have to study them. You should study them, okay? Here are some common examples. Go, went, write, wrote, drive, drove, drink, drank, see, saw, say, said, speak, spoke, run, ran, have, had, buy, bought, do, did, get, got, feel, felt, tell, told, give, gave. Okay? Let's take more examples. Okay, find, found, read, read, win, won, fly, flew, swim, swam, draw, drew, break, broke, come, came, become, became, lose, lost. Please pay attention to the verb read. It becomes read. We just change the pronunciation. Okay? Negative form in past simple tense. How to make a negative sentence in past tense? We add didn't before the base form verb. For example, she cleaned her room. In the negative form, it becomes she didn't clean her room. Another example, they bought a new car. To make it negative, it becomes they didn't buy a new car. Pay attention that after didn't, we have the base form verb. So we can't say didn't cleaned or didn't bought. It's wrong. Okay? Here, we have to make yes or no questions in past simple tense. It's really easy. We just use did at the beginning of the question, changing the past verb to its base form. Look at this example, please. You ate pizza. Yes or no question, it becomes, did you eat pizza? We changed ate to eat in the question. Here, another example, they had an amazing party. Here, had is the main verb. To make it a question, did they have an amazing party? Thank you.